Beloved homeland of our brave heroes, we must defend our lives, for we shall perish. We shall protect our hearts from all our foes. But if the price is death for all we hold dear, then let us die without a shred of fear. Hail to Biafra, consecrated nation. Oh, fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Spilling our blood will count our privilege. The weapons God which emboldens the free shall always be our flag of liberty. Hail to Biafra, consecrated nation. Oh, fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be our dedication. Spilling our blood will count our privilege. The weapons God which emboldens the free shall always be our flag of liberty.
This is my song for freedom. They call me Chris Jokey. Even though I walk through the valley of shadow of death, I fear no evil, for still God is always with me. Yeah, He's always with me. And the sun will rise, my brothers will be coming home. Yeah, we made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and the time is too late to join me. Let us get it now. Through happiness we all rejoice. Yes, we are the children of God. I am talking about a holy land, yeah, where God will always reign, and the sun will shine again. So we the people rejoice, yeah, where no one will tell me, yeah, that my song is suicidal, that I will lose my life for singing songs, where there is freedom must be. this time before we remind us that we are children of the Most High God. In Jerusalem we meet again, because we are the children of God, and the sun will rise. My brothers will be coming home, we made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and no time is too late. So join me, let us get it now. For happiness we all rejoice. We are the children of God. We are praying for the moment, when heaven will come for us, and the world will talk about us, so no one else have to die. All this nation will respect us, understand we just wanna go back home. No amount of contest to show, cause we all got possessed, and the spirit is in me. My director will return home, show us love we used to do before. Beautiful faces I will see again, we need you, we miss you, and we wait on you, and the sun will rise. My brothers will be coming home, we made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and no time is too late. So join me, let us get it now. For happiness we all rejoice. We are the children of God. Holy, Nambegana is another Savior. Holy, Nambegana is another salvation. The sun will rise. My brothers will be coming home, we made it through the sun to home. We gave our blood to redeem our land, and no time is too late. So join me, let us get it now. For happiness we all rejoice. We are the children of God. Rise. Made it through the sun to home. Gave our blood to redeem our land, and no time is too late.
Yes, once again, wonderful people of Biafra, men and women of goodwill, conscious people, wherever you are all over the world. I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. This is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor Mefo. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. He is actually standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Ibeku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. Ibeku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State, and Abia State is Biafra land. The only man that have stood up for almost 60 years now. Nobody have been able to stand up to speak for the collective interests of Biafran people until he came. He remained the one that command the loyalty of the Biafran people. And by the special grace of Chukwu Okike Abiama, I remain George Onyibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State, and Delta State is Biafra. As always, we must acknowledge the Almighty Creator Himself, Chukwu Okike Abiama, the one that lives in heaven and presides over the affair of man, the one who has set our feet upon this path. He's our guide, no matter both great and small. He has become our wisdom, knowledge, and understanding. For indeed, He is the primordial influence that drives us in everything we do. Anyị na-aja gị mma o, n'ihi na ị mara mma ịhụnanya anyị na gị, obiọma gị, o juru anyị anya dadị o, inwe gị mgbanwe o, ọ dị onye dịka gị, ịbụ Alpha na Omega. Anyị niile na-asị na ịdị mma o. Without wasting much of our time this morning, we will go to our study, our topic. We simply say, make your present count. Make your present count. Make your present count. I'm talking to Biafrans this morning. Make your present count. Anybody romancing with one Nigeria is just like somebody playing with fire. And that fire will burn you. One Nigeria is a fire that is designed not only to destroy the Oduduwa nation, the Arewa nation, not only to destroy Nigerians, but it is a fire that is designed to destroy Africa to their root. Most of you cannot see it now. Vice President, Pastor, what is his name again? Usibanjo, Redeemed Christian Church, Vice President of Nigeria, man of God. He went to America. He went to lie. Oh, we know why IPOB, we prescribe IPOB. IPOB have killed more than OPC. OPC is a religious movement. IPOB is a terrorist organization. This is some of the things Usibanjo went to tell the Vice President of America. Among other people he visited. Oh, we have to prescribe IPOB because they have killed more than Fulani headsmen. They have killed more than Miati Allah. IPOB is a terrorist. One Nigeria, you are playing with fire. Just rejoice, enjoy it while it lasts. And they say, what about the issue of kidnap? Oh, there is no kidnapping. All those things are exaggerating. But I will not digress. That is not my message. And now, yesterday, there is a woman whose throat was cut off. He was stabbed by the throat. One of the leg was cut off by Fulani headsmen. And now, all of a sudden, some Benin people are now saying, oh, this is a land. Oh, you must have Fulani must leave. No. Very soon, we will canvass for Fulani to remain in our land. Don't worry. Very soon, we will be the one who is asking Fulani to come. So all of you will understand what we have seen, what our leader have seen, even 100 years before he was born. Make your present count. IPOB is a terrorist organization. Governors of Southeast and other saboteurs in Biafra land. They are jumping up and down. Yes, we have to stop them. What is the matter now? They cannot do it. Make your present count. This one Nigeria you people are looking for. You never know where we are coming from you. Because one day you will be the one rejecting one Nigeria. I no longer hear about Buhari is fighting corruption. Only when it comes to laundering image on their Yoruba Gota lying media, incorporated and an association with BBC and CNN, lying media platform. What I cannot understand is the way some men of God will bend their mouth and lie. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. Recently, a Yoruba pastor kidnapped himself. He kidnapped himself. A pastor in Nigeria kidnapped himself and started demanding for ransom from a church member. Of course, most of them at the end of the day are Igbo Biafrans. Because a job Biafran don't go to church. They drink ogogoro morning to night. Abo Biafrans don't go to church. They are looking for where to gossip morning to night. Akwa Ibom Biafran don't go to church. Of course, maybe they are eating dog meat. Then the Igbo Biafrans are the one who have voluntarily made themselves a slave under Yoruba church. Go there. The Yoruba pastors are now kidnapping themselves so that you will pay ransom. Somebody say, leave religion. there is no way you can leave religion. There is no way you can leave Fulani headsmen. There is no way you can leave Yoruba, Hausa, and British government for what we are going through today. Make your present count. You go on social media now, you see, oh, they kidnap here, oh, they kill here, oh, ritual is here. If it's not Yoruba, it's Hausa, Fulani. But I thank you, genuine Biafrans, who have made your present count, because that is the only reason why, as we speak today, all of a sudden, no Igbo man kidnapper again. All of a sudden, no Igbo man ritualist. All of a sudden, now you know what Radio Biafra stands for. Let them bring those lies. I am personally preparing all the thing Osibanjo said in America. Everything he said, I am going to scrutinize them one after the other. After processing the information, you people will see how it looks like. One Nigeria, my foot. Oh, it's our one Nigeria. Now you are asking Fulani, why would Fulani go? Why would Fulani go? Fulani come and rape, come and kill. Yoruba pastor will come and do burial ceremony for you. And then they will tell you, God give and God take. And God is not taking Fulani headsmen. You are going to heaven. Don't worry, we will meet there. Just that it's not yet time for me to go there. You are going to heaven. Make your present count. A lot of atrocities are going on in this zoo called Nigeria. And some of the people, I'm not saying everybody. When I talk about Yoruba, all Yoruba people are not bad, but majority of them are worse than rat poison. They are worse than Otapiapia. The same way we will talk about Biafra, you think all Biafrans are good people? Minority of them, a handful of them, are evil, worse than Satan. It's everywhere. But you not being focused, not understanding what is going on, is what makes us do what we do. Don't forget our topic is simple. Make your present count. I have seen people over time. Instead of them to come and say, IPOB, what do you want? What are you doing? What is the next way forward? How can we support? How can we make impact? Or better still, enter under their bedroom and start doing something to make their present count. This is what they do. IPOB is not doing it well. Yes, Mazen and the Kano have tried. Let him step aside so another people can start. Yes, where is defend money funds? Yes, where is this one? You think that is how you make your present count? Of course you are doing that. Make your present count. It doesn't matter any how little it is. As a Biafran, don't deceive yourself. The time for deceiving is over. They say Akwa Ibom is not Biafra. We know whether you are Akwa Ibom or you are part of Akwa Ibom. Our Ijo is not Biafra. We know whether your father is the Ijo. You don't even know the history of your community. The name you are hitting in Niger Delta, it doesn't have meaning in your name. You don't even know anything. I'm Ido Mama, I'm not a Biafra, I'm Hausa. Okay, Munu Vumnanya. You go clear on our eye very soon. Make your present count. Stop deceiving yourself. Let's sit by, let's be watching. After all, when Biafra come, all of us are Biafran. Nobody can stop me from Biafra. You will know. You will know. And then some are in IPOB. Okay, yes, we have registered. It's okay. Make your present count. Not just calling Radio Biafra. Oh yes, we are formidable. We are going to do this. It's not just calling Radio Biafra. Make your present count in the most minimal way. Make your present count. Today, I look at many people who are fighting tooth and nail to disgrace me, to embarrass me, to frustrate me, to chase me out of IPOB, to blackmail me. And I dare them. I challenge them this morning and I watch them. From a distance, I watch all of them because they don't know how I got here. I made my present count. I made my present count. Nobody takes the kingdom by words. They take kingdom by action. And when we are talking today, that is because it's the stage. Our actions will define us at the end of the day. For everything we have done on this platform, it will echo in the lips of thousands, generations to come. For it shall last beyond the pyramids of Egypt. There are a lot of things you do not know. We make our present count. I'm seeing some people, they want to from helicopter and jump inside the Mazen and the Kano bedroom. And, oh, we love you, oh, holy, holy, oh, you are wonderful, oh, we now know. Make your present count. Because this one Nigeria, Very soon, all of you will run for it. You see that they are in Abuja. Oh, we are Shama, we are in Aso Rock. Don't worry. Don't worry. Very soon, Nigeria will be the people that will advocate for the dismemberment of this. Is it not only small threat to Obasanjo? The whole Yoruba has gone ablaze, and then some Biafrans are there behaving big boy. You are born in America, you are born in China, so you don't have sense. If you don't have sense, why can't you go and buy good sense and add to your human sense? Maybe you can reason like Awusa cow self. Make your present count. Not just, okay, I'm IPOB, I've registered, yeah, we are formidable, I call the radio, yes, I have Mazuchi, my phone number, I can talk to George Onibe. No, make your present count. Very important. Let me tell you how it works. As IPOB member, when I joined IPOB, I started the first unit in that location I found myself. I actually called our leader on radio, and I told him I want to join, I want to start a family. Because there was no family that I knew, no unit that I knew in that area where I stay in Iguacha then. He gave a number to me, which I later contacted. The person said, don't worry, we will see what we will do. And many other persons called. They were connected. That is how I started the first unit. There were people there. In fact, some of the people I gathered and said, let's start a unit. One of them even told me, who don't even know anything about IPOB. He has even set up a bank account. He has set up a secretary, treasurer, financial. He has set up, I said, you don't know how IPOB they do. You don't open bank account. He have even shown us the hotel where we will be doing meeting. And then we'll be behaving like big boy. And I told him, I said, this is freedom fighting. From the way I look at it, we don't need a hotel to do this meeting. Except you want to put another burden on the people. I know how much evil that came out there. I stood my ground. I made my present count. Every moment, every minute in time, I am not fighting so that George Onibe will win. Because it's not about me. I am fighting so that Biafrans at the end of the day will win. And so we work hard. We made our present count. We did not blackmail anybody. We know that what we are doing, God's hand is involved. And so we rely, we sleep on the arm of faith. Faith with work, not faith of talking. And now this is where we are. Biafrans, don't let anybody deceive you. Make your present count. It's not just being born a Biafran. Of course, we know. We know. There are many people who are not even born Biafran, but they are claiming Biafran already. You make your present count. It's not just being a principal officer of IPOB. Make your present count. I saw people say, I am the liaison officer of IPOB, the governor of the general overseer. But what have you done? Even in your unit, they don't you. What have you done? Oh, you know who know. Don't play with fire. Oh. Don't play with fire. Don't play with fire. It's not just being about related to Mazuchi Mefo or Mazen Nandekano or one of the IPOB leader. No, it's my. I know how many people that send me audio and thread and say, I will show you. I am Mazen Nandekano brother. I am from Afari Beku. Thunder fire you. Thunder fire you. You think that's how to make your present count? Make your present count because this fire is burning. No, look at now. Fulani leave our land. It's a lie, you. It's a lie, you. It's a lie, you. Biafrans, make it count. Oh, I am a shaman, CEO. I live in heaven. I own the company where the God produced angel. Make your present count. You know what I'm talking about. Look for IPOB and join. Those of you romancing with one Nigeria, you are playing with fire. Let me ask you a simple question. With all the killing of IPOB, with all the intimidation, with all the harassment, about 21 still in Akwa Ibom prison, with all these things, did you not notice that we are on a ground? We are standing. We are not going anywhere. Believe me, it's not about boasting. It is about saying it the way it is. This broadcast is not coming from diaspora. Of course, Nigeria can go and meet the devil and say, let them come and kill me. But maybe that will be the last. Because I understand that sometimes certain things need to happen. But of course, we are not careless with our life. To make it happen. Oh, we are Nigeria. We do everything Nigerians have done. We don't move IPOB. We have only microphone. Oh. We have only microphone. Oh. But on daily basis, many countries across the globe who are actually part of the people feeding on the misery of our people are giving ammunition to our Hausa Fulani. Even the little one we have, they are disarming us. Make your present count. For people will come, oh, I can manufacture grenade. I can do this one. Make your present count. I have money. I can go to UN floor and demand for Biafra. Make your present count. Look at what David Umahi is saying. Oh, OPC, do not insult their elder. But what you don't know is that if you don't make your present count, one day, you will use that your prick and give birth to the child that will kill you. OPC respect their elder. Do you know Yoruba in nature? Yorubas are the only tribe I know that when they wake up in the morning, they will tell their father will mess. They will tell, Ele Baba. But they are not happy about it. But they have to say Ele Baba the same way they are conspiring with Fulanis to kill Biafra because of what they get at it. We do not pretend. We tell you the way it is. Yoruba is only tribe in the world that I know. They have greeting for every situation and circumstance. When bomb blow you, you go hear a coup bomb. When Fulani herdsmen kill you, you go hear a coup Fulani. No greeting they don't have. We are not like that. We don't mock ourselves. We don't mock people either. Hey, they respect the Aida. They don't insult the Aida. Can you do what Yoruba Aida have done? As my Niger Delta Aida now, as my Igbo Aida, Abo Aida, can you do what Yoruba Aidas have done? Did they not take money that belongs to our parents and give them 20 pounds and use it to build Cabre Nigeria PLC among other companies owned by Yoruba? Can you do that? Instead, you are bringing Fulani army to come and terrorize us, harass us. Don't you know that our umbilical is buried in this land? Do you think our umbilical is buried in America or in China? We were born and brought up of this land. Now they make mistake. Make your present count. All of you fighting for second tenure. Second tenure is winding up. You will go to senator or House of Rep. Maybe Okorocha is there now, among others. It belongs to you, it's your property. Most of you have farm at the back of Aso Rock because it's your property. I know some people, politicians, Biafrans, I will not mention your name today because your stupidity is being documented. Who since democracy started till today, they are the one occupying that office. That young one I put for fire, it don't overdone, it turn to charcoal. Make your present count before it's too late. It's not just about being a Biafran politician. Make your present count. We are politicians. We are elite. Who elected you? Biafrans, make your present count. It could be in your unit. Make your present count. It could be in your zone. Make your present count. It could be your political arena. Make your present count. When you are there sitting down on that your rolling chair and say, you see, IPOB is not well educated. They are miscreant. You see, with my PhD, I can't join them. Shut up. Make your present count. We have this PhD. We don't even want to talk about it. We are more learned than you. We don't even want to talk about it. We are wealthier than you. We don't want to talk about it. Even with all the persecution, we are more happier than you. We don't want to talk about it. We have more healthy life than you. We don't want to talk about it. We have more protection that you can imagine. For Chuko Kikabia myself is our shield and our buckler, but we don't want to talk about it. Pack your motto. Make your present count. Because a day will come, you will wish you have done that. No, we are politicians, Biafran politicians. We will know what to do. Let's remove Mazen and the Kano first. Not in your lifetime. Everybody must follow suit. Everybody must join from somewhere. Because that is how it's meant to be. Look at the problem in Africa. That is because most African countries, or rather almost all the African countries, almost all the community you find black people, these terrorist people who have been afflicting our people, make sure that there is no machinery for discipline. And in the absence of this machinery for discipline, the only thing will remain is savages, even lower than animal. Make your present count. But in Biafra land, maybe we will fight ourselves for 1,000 years. Do you know why? Because machineries of discipline must be installed. But I hope you will understand. It's not just being a pastor. I'm a man of God. You see the way IPOB talk to man of God, that is, I don't like it. I can't join them. The doctrine of Holy Ghost, forbid me. We are all men of God. Have you not read it in the Bible? Did you not hear Miriam say so to Moses? Don't let anybody deceive you. Make your present count. There are people like Abishai Desmond Tutu. They are men of God. Men of God, don't deceive yourself, because all these things will get to all of you. IPOB have platform for everybody. It's an institution, it's an organization, it's a nation of people, and as such we have criminal, we have born again, we have Holy Ghost, we have Ghost Holy, we have Ndoshin Andiara, we have Ndishi Maybe Nandishi Dioma, we have everything. And it's Rukeme because we are people. Enter your department and make it count. But you must understand that we must fight for all of us to win. Because some of you are sitting back and you are not doing anything and you are happy. And somewhere along the line, they will get tired. Now lie. This is just the beginning. You must make your present count. Because the saboteurs are doing it. You people will not understand. You must make your present count, because considering those who receive like small change, 10 million, and begin to insult and abuse their mother, you can imagine. Let's go back a little bit, the memory lane. When IPOB said there will be no election in Biafra land, what the Nigerian state, terrorist state did was to look for gullible saboteurs in Biafra land and empower them. Where is this Oge from America? Is he Ogechi? Where are all those people coming on air? Where are Sare? Yeah, PVC, use your PVC. Oh boy, if you see warriors, all of them attacking IPB. Where them? Contract don't finish. Shame on all of you. But we are still here. No, they say don't vote. They have collected money. You can't deter us. Forget about who you are. We are on this platform because of truth. Our leaders say we are whiter than white. Ejoku Bondo. The only charm our leader is using for all of us is because he said the truth. And I think that is his offense. Just come out and be saying the truth, be saying the truth. He should have been lying with Nigeria. Let us see who will be here. The same way all of you will desire Nigeria at the end of the day. He influenced us with the truth. And now we are here. Saboteurs everywhere. Oh, let's destroy you. You can't. You cannot destroy the light. You cannot subdue the truth. We come out for you nakedly. And that is exactly what we are doing. Where are all of them? No contract yet. No image launderers again. Now the president, vice president of the Zuko Nigeria have to go and be laundering image. When he carry big Bible, now say, I'm a man of God. They now begin to take it relevant. He's a Boko Haram. That man is a native doctor. And so are all your Yoruba pastors. Wake up. Make your present count. Saboteurs are not relaxing. They are making their present count. They are making their present count. Most of you are here now. You are answering Sharma. Go to almost all the countries in Europe. In diaspora. Nigerian lawyers in diaspora now are now writing, what do they call, asylum paper for Yoruba and Hausa, pretending that they are Biafrans. I have a document in my file here. Somebody who is a Biafran, but it's not part of IPOB, has typed a document and they are going to send it to embassy. He's a Biafran, he's running away from Nigeria because Nigerian government want to kill him. He wants asylum, please help him. The people dying on daily basis are not running out. All these criminals, you are taking advantage. Of course, you are a saboteur. You are making your present count, and we are identifying all of you. Begin to come out. All of a sudden, everybody on social media, hey, we are Biafra, we are Biafra, and all this monkey. Now, those of you on Facebook Live, check. I have about 113 persons following me at this moment. But it's a lie. Facebook, Yoruba control Facebook in Nigeria. This is what they do. It's only when our leader is coming on air, they can't break that protocol because Biafrans across the globe are going to rush in there. So maybe they've not advanced the technology that will make them undermine what we do. It's a 114 now. But in the real sense, if I go on my own Facebook page now, you will see in less than 10 minutes, you have almost 900 people listening to what you are saying. Why? Because they are undermining you. Sometimes they will mute me prematurely, so I don't even know what is happening. Whether you are receiving the signal or not, I don't know. The reason you see now that they are not able to cut me off frequently is because I have created my own studio inside their own studio. So before they notice, oh, this place people are on to cut you off, I have switched on to my own studio. Before they notice I have switched to another studio, broadcast is gone already. Person will do gone, I do bulletproof. But I'm just saying this to you so that you know that if these people make their present count for us, we must make our present count. They're making their present count. They want to destroy us. Fulani herdsmen are making their present count. Who will tell me that he has not experienced Fulani herdsmen? If it has not gotten to you, it has gotten to your family member, it has gotten to somebody from your village, or you have heard the news. Are they not making their present count? Yes, we know their governors support them. Yes, we know their senators support them. Their traditional rulers support them. But even if our own politicians and senators are not supporting us, the person where they're rejecting will reject himself. You make yourself count. Boko Haram are making their present count. All of you are feeling it. Colonial terrorists, they are making their present count. You notice Britain is not saying anything because you have not blown one pipeline. Blow one pipeline now. You will know how interested Britain is in Nigeria. Britain will write to the whole world to bring ammunition to protect pipeline. But Fulani herdsmen are killing everybody. Britain has gone mute. Make your present count. No, if you want to know how much Britain loves one Nigeria. Oh. Most of you don't know that Britain know how to sing the first national anthem. Nigeria, we hail thee. Just blow one pipeline so you know how this zoo called Nigeria is there to British government. Make your present count. All these people are making their present count. Then you that is involved, you are playing big boy. Hey, don't worry. Now I understand more why the Bible says he will take the foolishness of the world and confront those who think they are wise. Look for IPOB family closer to you. Join there. They will advise you on what to do. But you see this journey? The frustration that we kill all the saboteurs, including Nigeria and the enemy of Biafra, is that you never know where we are coming from. You will never know how we are going to engage you. Kill them, harass them, intimidate them. It's a lie. We understand it now. It is written in the Declaration of Independence of America that every American should know that time in, time out, the blood of the guilty and the innocent will be used to refresh the tree of liberty. And that means people have to pay sacrifice. Of course, a lot of innocent Biafrans have been laid to rest, all because of Biafra. Make your present count. Because someday, you may regret it in future. If you fail to make your present count today, one day you will regret it. Start making your present to count. Whatever you do, whatever you say about Biafra, just make your present count. We are going home. And there is nothing anybody can do about it. Make your present count. I'll be back in a minute.
United Nation. You gave us law of self-determination. We followed your principles in freedom fighting. But why does the life of a black man doesn't matter to you all? Biafrans are being massacred in large quantities. Instead of getting help from you people, you got us shifting.
This is the story of Biafrans who died on the road of freedom.
This is the story of the motherless, searching for a lovely home.
They were shot by the military. No one knew what it all began.
A painful history, living a life of misery.
United Nations, why did you let the children die? United Nations, why did you let the children cry? United Nations, why did you let the Africans fall? United Nations, why did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall?
We are known for being blunt about the truth. Federal and world bodies can't even deny this obvious proof that these kids were starved to death. None of them were left. Together we stand against this ruthlessness.
You made us believe in you, you gave us your word, and now they are killing us and spilling our blood.
All pain and misery, we've had enough, we've had enough. UN and the USA, stand up for once, we've had enough.
We have been mourning our own in all the zones. Since the crashes of those great nations, we still haven't grown. We cannot stack in the stops, back, yes. We need to go back to our home, yeah, our home.
What have we done? The days of missing human treatment. What is a crime? The desolate in our environment. Emperors are suffering every day. What more can we say if that's the price that we must pay? We must pay.
And I'm so disappointed in USA, UN, and the government. That's why I say
United Nations, why did you let the children die? United Nations, why did you let the children cry? United Nations, why did you let the Africans fall? United Nations, why did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall? Did you let the children fall?
they are killing us every day. Only God will save our lives, and you will never get to allow Biafra go. Let the blood of earth crying in the wilderness. I had to shed blood of Biafran children crying
The peaceful people, you see them, watch them killing people. I got no much to say, but one thing I must say. Stop the fight for world stats.
Give me my life back. I'm locked up in bitterness.
My eyes are red and swollen, but no one can see the tears in my eyes. My people, if I fall, maybe someday they will come back to life.
United Nations, why did you let the children die? United Nations, why did you let the children?
Yes, at this moment, our lines are open. Our WhatsApp line remains 070 815 45642. Our WhatsApp line once again is 070 815 45642. Our direct line is 081 221 52971. Our direct line once again is 081 221 52971. And special number for the female is 081 288 58614. Special number for the female is 081 288 58614. And please, when you call, make sure you move away from your radio, or you turn off your radio, or you lower the volume of your radio set. Please do not try to listen to yourself on your radio. Can you hear me, caller on the line? Good morning from here. Your name and where are you calling from?
My name is Bernard from Iguata, calling from Iguata. I thank you so much for your hard work. Continue with a good job. This saboteur, we have saw them already. So it's not a new thing. This man, yes, sir.
The problem is you are listening to your radio. The moment you are doing that, you are not communicating. I can hear the sound of your radio on this other end. When you call me, move away from your radio. Can you hear me, caller on the line?
Hello?
Good morning from here. Your name and where are you calling from? Our people must get to the level where they are disciplined enough to understand what is obtainable. Can you hear me, caller on the line?
Hello?
Yes, I will advise you to turn off your radio. When you call and I hear the sound of your radio on the background, I will cut you off. Caller on the line.
My name is Ilika.
Good morning.
Calling from Enugu province, Biafra land.
Good morning from here. Go ahead,
Ochko
please.
Kajama, bless you. And bless our leader, Mazin Nambikano. And bless our deputy leader, Maziche Mafo. And all the Biafra officers. And all those that are for the restoration of Biafra. There are many who are still sitting down, telling me that they are pastor, that they don't want to show themselves, that IPOB is not for Biafra, that they are not restoring Biafra, instead of them to walk, instead of them to show up themselves. So, and they are there sitting down in their bedroom, not willing to stand up the night, but they call themselves pastor. But they don't know that you are an archbishop. They don't even know that you are an archbishop. I just do not answer them anything. Let them sit down there and wait for me. I've told you, you are my brother. But if you continue sitting down, you don't want to rise up, you don't want to join Biafra struggle. Then, when Biafra have been restored, I'm not saying when Biafra is being restored, Biafra have been restored. When everything is complete, whatever Biafra told me to do to him, I will do it. My brothers is those in IPOB, and they are working assiduously for the restoration of Biafra. You see those blood brothers, or whoever they call themselves, that do not stand up for this restoration of Biafra. And they told me that they are afraid. That fear will get out of their eyes one day. That fear will get out of their brain one day. And we will tell them what is meant to fight for freedom. Even if I die, I told them, even if I die, before that has been restored, those that are alive will still do the same thing. They don't know. I don't know what people are hiding from. I don't know what they want to hide from. I don't know what they are afraid of in this planet Earth. Is it that the Fulani men have even gone to their village and gather and take all their land. What share of that are there? I just don't know. I just watch your Michiko Kabema blessing, man.
Thank you. We must
Michiko Kabema continue to protect you and your family and bless you and provide for you. In the name of Michiko Kabema.
We must continue. Caller on WhatsApp, can you hear me? Caller on WhatsApp, are you there? Caller on WhatsApp. Okay, go ahead, please. The world is listening. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Biafra all over the world. Depending on your time zone, good morning, good evening, good night, anywhere you are. May we bless every one of you. My name is Madam Testi Ojuku from Amich, Newu South in Biafra land, residing in Barcelona, Spain. My dear, thank you for your wonderful work, that you are doing for us. I'm very sorry that I was off since few weeks now because of some situation, but everything is okay now. I thank you, Abraham, for that. Well, I'm thanking all of you that are parading this struggle to be a reality. Our deputy, my Onyendu, anywhere you are, may Almighty Kokabiyama continue protecting you anywhere you are. The person that God gave to us, Almighty Koke, gave to us in order to rescue us from the hand of this wicked world called Zoo. May God, Almighty God, bless you anywhere you are. And all the directors of the state, all the IPOP worldwide, Biafrans, whatever you are doing, may God bless you. That is what I'm praying this morning. Marvin, George Onibe, may Almighty God continue showering you, protecting you, whatever you are doing. My dear, your topic this morning is a fantastic and very sweet and wonderful. Wake up and answer your call. That is what the topic that you are telling the whole Biafran. Try to protect yourself. I believe that Okike is hearing us. As you are saying it, I'm praying that let the thing enter into our ear and our life. We don't need to be somber for all these things. All these people, all the our governors and our elders. I don't know, we don't have elders. Because it's in my diary that one of the somebody they call elders is not my elder. I will say that he continue sabotaging Biafra until he died. So what are we talking about? It's not Biafra elders, but we have our elders. May Okike bless IPOP elders, which I know that they are, and which I know that I'm one of them. I'm also using this opportunity to send my greetings to Munachi, my own sister, all women, girls, ladies, get up, children, let us join hands together and help our leader. Let us join hands together and get our trouble. I'm seeing what everybody is doing and praying 24 hours in my life. As our leader said, praying 7 hours, but my own is 24 hours. When I was in my toilet in the kitchen, I'm always making sure everybody knows me. But I know that God will surely give us our freedom. Please let us not continue being fear. Let us not continue being discouraged. I know it's not easy. Sometimes I'll cry 24 hours and say, God, what have we done? What have we done? What have my onions do? I said that I don't want to eat this food again, but they are forcing me to eat. Let the world hear from us. Please, we want to stay alone. How are you going to bring somebody that is Sudan or Mali to come and be a vigilante in my own land, Maz? That one is, I don't know how I don't get that. To bring a vigilante to come and take that is to watch me in my land, whether I know how to eat food or how I know how to plant my crop. But it will not work. They are planning all these things, but that is they are failing because I will not blame them because they are bush, they are animals. They are thinking it's animals. But what I'm thinking for is all these stupid governors our senators, the people that are in that position that are supporting them. I'm praying this morning that Amandua and Tiboke will continue striking you people until all you and your family will be in death. That's what I'm praying. Power. So, Maggie, I don't need to waste much time. I'm still greeting everybody. Everybody, all Biafra, say worldwide. Whatever you are doing, continue. Continue. Let us not slumber. Let us not, because of this thing, let us see weak. No. We are 24 hours from the struggle. And God must surely give us our struggle. He said, and the much naked. I don't need to spend much time. So that another person.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Good morning.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please. The world is listening.
Yeah, in fact, your topic this morning is quite interesting. God will bless you. God will bless our supreme leader. God will bless all the instrument is using to help us to sanitize our mind in this restoration project. I pray God Almighty will bless you. My name is Ayan Ibe. I'm calling you from Cross River State, precisely Obubra. I have been looking for where to register, where to join IPOB, but there is no way. There is no IPOB center here where I'm staying. Obubra completely everywhere is just down. There's no information, but the radio station is here. People should help us.
Hopefully, I think this complaint is growing steadily, and
rural evangelism. Because our people are interested, but nobody can inform us.
See what we will do now. I'm going to set up a line specially dedicated for that purpose, so that somebody can be looking into the issue and.
I am ready to work. I'm ready to work because our people everywhere is just down. Only this radio is the only thing that is helping us. And these people have shackled us. They're everywhere. At Uganda, they have given them a land and they are bringing in arms every now and then. As it comes the same thing. We are not safe here. We should carry us along.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Something will be done about it before the end of the day. It's a promise.
Thank you, and may God bless you, sir.
It's a promise. Thank you.
Keep on keeping on. Biafra is here.
We are not going anywhere, my brother. Thank you very much. We must continue. Biafrans must make their present count. Biafrans, make your present count. For more than 60 years, we have been crying. They have been killing us. They've been killing us. Did the killing stop? Oh, they've been arresting us. Did the arresting stop? Oh, with justice is denied. Oh, did the justice serve? Oh, we are being disenfranchised. Oh, have your PVC counted? Wake up and don't let anybody deceive you. Can you hear me? Call on WhatsApp.
Good morning from here, Mozambique. Calling from Mozambique.
Go ahead, please.
This opportunity, I want to use the opportunity to say Facebook because they are Facebook this morning. All the whole thing we are talking today, some of them we are not understanding, we're not hearing well. They will cut you off, they cut you on, they cut you. But I want to tell them that anything they like, let them do.
They feel
anything they do, God, their power will come. They cannot do anything for your voice.
As we are talking now, I am on premature mood. Premature mood is it can be on other platform, but I have been crippled myself. But where God catch them is that there are other devices that are recording it. So even if people do not get this broadcast very clear and direct now that I'm on, at the end of the program, through other platform, it will still come to Facebook. Facebook must play it. They can say, "Mama no go sleep, he no go sleep." We go teach them another department where they no. Go ahead, please.
I want to tell them to let them let Biafra go because we don't do anything for them because we pay for Facebook, we patronize for Facebook. Biafra is the more richest person that will contribute most a lot for Facebook. Facebook, Biafra people are people that's giving you food a lot. Biafra is contribute 100% for your own company, Facebook. I'm telling you people to leave below.
Now, Mazobi, let me tell you something now. There is a brother, he helped me to share my program. Once I'm on air, he types them and begin to share it. Day before yesterday, he called me and said, anytime he shared this program, they send him warning. And I don't share my program because anytime I share it, they will disconnect me. So what is the problem of Facebook? Maybe you help me ask them. Since Zugabyte came to Nigeria, shake hand with Yoruba and Nigeria, Facebook have not remained the same again. But if to go is no more, Facebook killed to go. If Bluetooth, Xander killed them, then Facebook should get ready because very soon people will be, oh, you remember that platform now, Facebook? Facebook will become history. It's a promise we're making to them. Go ahead, my brother.
Yes, something like Imo. Imo is not leverage again. Imo is not working well now. Imo is working. Viber is all the other platform. One day it will be like that for Facebook, like that. I want to say this, man. Allow people to express themselves. Allow people to express themselves. Facebook. We are telling you people now because one day we look for customer you cannot see it. Other people are coming. Other people are warming up to take their own position. If you don't take time, let the people to say their own opinion. Let people to show the whole world what is going on in the country. Because there's no news can show what is going on in this country. Only platform of Facebook that everyone has to understand what is going on in other countries, other places in this whole world. But if people cannot allow us to face ourselves, allow us to say something that we're supposed to say. But one day people will regret it. I want to tell you, we come to Nigeria and take money and take bribe to punish us, but we cannot do anything. We have a platform to show the whole world what is going on. But if you don't want to do it, one day God will expose you. God will expose you. We must see what you do for yourself. Facebook, I'm warning this morning. Allow much God deliver to broadcast. Because this voice that is only God that gives this man voice to say something that is supposed to say. Only God that gives the man to only God can say man say something that is supposed to say to Facebook. Allow us to broadcast in our own platform. That we pray. We pray for this Facebook. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. I want to use the opportunity to tell our people this morning. We are not going back. Whether they will hang us, whether they do anything, whether it's not yet the Biafra, but they have their own mind that the Biafra is our own, is our capital ruler for us. It's something that everybody is supposed to join. It's something that everybody is supposed to understand. Whether they give us chance or not, they give us chance. Everyone is supposed to have in mind the freedom is our own. We must take our freedom. No one can give us the freedom. No European can give us freedom. No Nigerian man can give us freedom. No British can give us freedom. We must take our freedom by force. Because other neighbors, we're supposed to marry. We're supposed to be like a job. We want to change our name. We want to change our name. After the so that God will save a pastor. So God will save a father. So that we are fighting for nothing that we are fighting for evil something. We are doing something that does not belong to us. Therefore, is our own country. Therefore, it's like Jabez who changed his name. Here they are. We want to change our name. But that's why outside Nigeria. I want to tell everyone to this morning, if you hear my voice, let us change our name to Biafra. Let us change our Nigeria. Let us change the Nigerian name to Biafra name. We must get it wrong. We must get it right. After you do it now, I don't progress. I don't want anything. We must get our own progress. We must get our own country. Whether they like it or not, let everybody understand this morning. Let us change this our name. Let us change this name. We call us Nigeria. They call us Nigeria. One evil. Because I change it high. Come we hear can hear my children. Come we hear the man in this year. Come on, the more about Biafra. I want Nigeria. I never come there. I never come down more here. I was about to go to Nigeria. But the Bodoka didn't know about you the conscience. What the down? Come now, what in a hospital. Oh, I know that God on Nigeria, but I can't Nigeria. Let everyone stand up and let us by call this name, by call this name, and answer our own father's name. What I don't even know that's not know them. First, don't you need it? Started out. I don't get the wookie. And what the quaggy? What will they put on local? Think at the head. You could tell what? You put a valley. You put a valley. You put a here. And we again, all that aggy. I brought the aggy. And we had my mobile. Now I spoke at them. Master was the bottom of the car get with your what? As in the near all day, Nigeria. We have a lot for Nigeria. Now it's the time for you to work for it's time for you to work for the average Nigeria. It's time for you to work to all the whole world. And around, even to come to Mozambique, we want you here in Mozambique. From this place, we must welcome you and we must preach here in Mozambique. We must preach in South Africa. I want you to go right up the whole world and bring all together as you do it for Nigeria, as you do it for the other land, as you do it for the other land. Last 2 years ago, I'm not even thinking that. God hold on the need on the war. I was here one day. Thank you very much for that.
We must continue. You see, caller on the line, your name and where are you calling from?
Hello, good morning.
Yes, good morning, Ada. Go ahead, please. I will advise you to lower your radio down. Go ahead, please.
Because Jajani, the Chico Kika Magago, Siremge, Magico Magi, Ega then Ega Hala Biafra. Mabambo Nilen Kenamara, Omo Biafra, Chico Kika Gama. Begin na hitike mukipegi n'ezinụlọ in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. Chukwu okike abịa ma agaghị ekwe ka ahụhụ niile nke na-atara ụmụ Biafra na-atara ụmụnne anyị niile ime ka anyị nwere onwe anyị ọ gaghị ala njem in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. Eziokwu obi dị m ụtọ n'ụtụtụ a ịnụ olu gị na Sunday night. Maka mgbe anyị gara meeting m jụrụ onye isi anya beko nọ na o nwere ihe na-ewute m kemgbe few days na anụbeghị m olu nwanne m nwoke bụ George Onyibe ya sị na nsogbu adịghị. Chukwu okike abịa ma ị ga-adịrịrị ndụ. Chukwu okike abịa ma na Sunday ahụ night mgbe m nụrụ olu gị in fact adị m very very happy n'olu gị. Chineke ga-agbara m gị ume. Chineke ga-akwara gị ụzọ n'ebe ụzọ na-adịghị. Ị ga-ahụ ala Biafra ri uru nọ n'ime Biafra in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. Nwanne anyị nwoke bụ our director Chukwu okike abịa ma gị anọnyere ya Nnamdi Kanu n'Uche Mefọ na nne nna ya anya na barista Ejiofor. Chukwu okike abịa ma na ụmụnne anyị niile ji eziokwu na-ekwupụta agba mbọ ime ka ọbịbịa anyị na Biafra bịarute nso. Chukwu okike abịa ma ga-agba unu niile ume in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. Ọ dịghị otu agịrị isi anyị onye iro ga-eji ndụ ya achụ aja. Chukwu okike abịa ma ga-anọnyere anyị. Anyị ga-ahụrịrị ala Biafra. Ihe ọzọ m chọrọ ikwu na ndị Fulani herdsmen a ndị abụ nama na-agagharị n'obodo anyị a bụ Biafra land na-achị wipe onwe ha na-awụ ụmụ Biafra. Eluigwe ga-ebili megide ha. Eluigwe ga-ebili megide ha. Chukwu okike ga-ebili megide ha. Otu a ha sị na anya ga-enwere onwe anyị ha nwa ga-enwere onwe ha in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. Ụmụnne anyị ndị a niile anyị ji nama na-aga ebe ụlọ ha na-aga emebichie ngwa ọrụ ha. Ha ga-azụrụ anwụrụ gaa obodo ahụ ga-azụrụ anwụrụ gaa na the whole farm ha niile maọbụ ebe niile ji na nama ahụ na-aga. Ị ga-ahụ ihe ga-eme nama ha ga-agba ọsọ gbapụ ebe ihe na-eme ha. Ha batara n'ala onye ọzọ chere ka ha ike ha gakwa n'aka n'ike in the name of Yahweh Yeshua. Chukwu okike abịa ma gba anyị ume. Chukwu okike abịa ma ga-ekpuchite nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Nnamdi Kanu our director, stream leader, El Jehovah. Chukwu ga maga no nyere ụtụtụ na ihe n'abalị ebe niile ọ na-eme travel na-aga hịarị Chukwu ga mama ga-eji ndụ nke ya abụọ wee kpuchite ezinụlọ ya ọ bụ na Ugoeze ọ bụ na nwunye ya first lady anyị na ụmụ ya Chukwu ga maga gbara m ha ume ụtụtụ na ihe n'abalị ha ga-anọ n'ụbọchị niile nke ndụ ha kpọta ala Biafra ruru Biafra in the name of Yahweh. Chukwu ga ma onye ọbụla ji ezi obi ha niile wee na-agba mbọ ka anyị nwere onwe anyị ọ dịghị ihe ọbụla ga-eme onye iro agaghị eji ọbara ya achụ àjà onye iro agaghị ekpopụ ndị ya dịka ahịhịa dịka m na-ekwubi okwu a otu a ka ọ ga-adị ha ya wee shọ aha m bụ Ego Ndubuisi New Heaven Zone 1 Chukwu ga m ga-anọnyere anyị niile in the name of Yahweh. Thank you.
Thank you very much. We must continue. Our people must begin to get involved. It doesn't matter where you are. There is no IPOB family in the country where you are today. It doesn't matter the continent. Hopefully, by the grace of God, in the evening, a number will be given out. Send, I'm in this place. I need to join the family. You will be connected because this journey will not end until Biafra is restored. You choose to be a spectator. You are on your own. Make your presence count. If you cannot support IPOB, at least sabotage IPOB. Good or bad, we need all of you. If you cannot come out and support your fatherland, please sabotage it. Let's know where you belong to. But of course, we are going home. Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Caller on the line. Can you hear me? Caller on the line. Can you hear me?
I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Go ahead, please. Good morning.
Morning, sir. I'm so happy today to hear your voice. It's been long since I've been trying this our life. But I thank God. I thank you for today to get you online. I say my Chukwu Kabiama. Bless you and bless our leader and the country. Our and other rest of our principal officers. So this morning, I'm very, very happy. My name is Maazị Nwachukwu Stanley, the coordinator. I'm from Imo State.
Your voice keeps coming and going. Can you please be close to your phone?
Amos is the one coordinator.
Caller on WhatsApp, are you there?
Yeah, Mazi George Onyibe. Good morning, sir.
Good morning from here. Go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. My name is Chema Nwokike Ugochukwu. I'm calling from India. I hail from Mumbai. Mumbai is in Olu province, Biafra land. Mazi, please permit me to appreciate Chukwu Kikabiam and acknowledge my leader, Mazi Nnamdi Okwu onye eziokwu. Nwoke na-ekwu eziokwu. Chukwu primi ihe niile. Chukwu kere ihe niile ekere ekene nwe ihe kere ya ekene dere gị. Nwuru gị bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu onye kpọpụtara sị anyị soro. Ọkwanụ ya ka anyị ga-eso. Ihe niile ndị iro na-eme, ihe niile ndị ajọ onye na-eme. Chukwu okike abịa ma anyị ma na ịnọnyere anyị. And anyị ma na at the end anyị ga-enweta Biafra nke ahụ ikwere anyị na nkwa, which is nwuru gị Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ko wepụta. Ihe ọ chọrọ bụ ihe anyị ga-emere ya. Anyị ga na-eso ya n'ụzọ dị mma, n'ụzọ eziokwu, n'ụzọ amamihe. Ihe ndị a ka nna ya kwere na ị ga-emezi n'aha Chukwu okike abịa mapụrụ ime ihe niile. Ise. Maazị, my brother, thank you very much, Maazị. Eziokwu bụ ndụ, truth is life. Radio Biafra is a place that you will come. If you have high BP, you become okay. Any sickness you come, you carry and come in radio platform, Radio Biafra, you must be healed. Mazi Mekele gị na-asị Chukwu okike abịa ma gbaa gị ume, gbaa awa leader, deputy leader Mazi Uche Mofo, a na-egbu achara achara na-eto, nwoke ọma, Chukwu okike abịa ma ga-edowe all the whole principal officers Mazi. You see what is happening in our land now. People are accusing us, are accusing us that we are the one now killing. Why they are the one killing us? Osibanjo, you are calling yourself a pastor, a deputy, a vice president of Nigeria, and some of our brothers are under you. They are seeing, they know that our people have been killed. They know that anywhere they throw bomb now is where Biafran people are. They know that anywhere they kill now is Biafran people. And they are watching you speaking evil against us. After killing us, you said we are the one killing. I thank Chukwu Kikadama that the whole world, their eyes are on us. They know us more than we know ourselves. Maazi, yesterday I was following our brother, Maazi Kechukwu from Middle East, Israel, precisely. When he was broadcasting yesterday, he had a visitor, which is second in command mayor in Israel. She came to see and to understand. Thank God that Chukwu Kikabiyama is the one who brought her and made her to understand that we are not terrorists. Rather, we are fighting for our lives. I don't want to be your brother. Is it by force? You see that all the whole questions that she asked yesterday, she knew the answer. She knows that this is the answer. And we are fighting for our freedom. And she promised to protect us live on air. This one is not that Nnamdi Kanu said. This is fake. This is that. Live on air. People that is not listening to Radio Biafra are the problem we are having today. Because once you listen to Radio Biafra, you come out and said you don't understand what we are doing here or what we are saying here. You are not a Biafran blood. We will ask your mother who is your father when the time comes. Mazi, you see, Osibanjo is saying that Biafran people, we are terrorists. Since we started this journey, since I was following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu 2014 till today, we are answering IPOB, Indigenous People of Biafra. Have we changed our name? Have we from Hausa to Fulani, from Fulani to Boko Haram, from Boko Haram to bandit, from bandit now to herdsmen, from herdsmen to the Miati Alana, which is final? They don't know the name, they will answer again. They said they want to come and kill us and form group vigilante in our land, in our own land. We are not speaking like you. You don't hear our language. We don't know you. You don't dress like us. You don't eat our food. There is nothing common between you and us. And you jump from another place, you jump from other country and come to our land and tell us that you will be a vigilante group. And our people are teaching these people. Follow Mazi. Thank God that Radio Biafra have stayed here. I said Chukwu Kikabiyama that put this knowledge in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I call it Holy Rock. This is where I know that Biafra have restored. Without Radio Biafra, we are gone. Radio our people, it's time we start reasoning. It's time we start asking where we come from. You are the elderly people, anybody that is more than 60 years and said that IPOB is insulting them, that person is not a Biafran blood. That person is evil. Nigeria, you are older than Nigeria. You are older than Nigeria. You come out and say, and we, the youth, are telling you that you are older than the country you are supporting. How come? Your father, what country, where did they come from? You turn it upside down and say, why we will tell you we are insulting you? Instead of you to learn, since you don't want to learn, since you don't want to teach us, what you are teaching us that Nigeria is our country, while you are older than Nigeria. And we are saying it. People said we are insulting them. IPOB is insulting them. We are the indigenous people of Biafra. We stand with it, and that is where we are going. Our land, we are not changing name. Our leader is who is moving all over the world now, passportless, without a document, and you are still calling his people that is following him a terrorist. Are you okay? You move out now to go USA because our leader is there. Continue moving. He will also stop in Chicago on 28th or 29th. Go there also and broadcast. But truth is life. Anybody that is hearing Radio Biafra said, you don't know what we are doing here. You don't know what we are saying here. You, time shall come when we will take you. On the night, bikonu, one woman, only one na in the night, in the morning. Only one na the bikonu. Over I was again. We don't want them because nne mo onye mụrụ nwa nna ayosi ndị nne bikonu gwa ụmụ unu onye nna ha wụ ka anyị maragodi ihe na-arịa anyị maazị ka mgbabewe okwu m ihe aka Chukwu okike abịa ma gọzie maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọpụpụ ya na mbata ya ebe ọbụla nke ọ na-aga na Amerịka ọ ga-abụ ihe ngozi onye jụrụ ajụ ga-ekwere ndị jụrụ ajụ unu ga-ekwere agbarụcha ngere kuru ngere ṅụọ nwaanyị na-eke obiri mgbe ijiji anya kpọrọ unu ga-ekwerere na Biafra na Chukwu oke abịa ma gọzie the whole principal officers gọzie maazị George Onibe ị ga na-aga ije na-alara ije ụkwụ agaghị akpọ gị echiche niile ndị iro na-echere gị agaghị erute gị ụkwụ agaghị erute gị nso ọ ga-alachiri ha back to sender n'aha Chukwu okike abịa ma pụrụ ime ihe niile ise ọhịa Biafra
ọhịa Biafra. We must continue. We must continue.
All hail Biafra, the land of rising sun.
We, the great people in Biafran community in New York, New Jersey, under the able leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, hereby invite all Biafrans, friends of Biafra, lovers of freedom, to the New York, New Jersey Town Hall meeting with the IPOB family to welcome our great and dynamic supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, on his historic visit to New York, New Jersey. Date, Sunday, 30 June 2019.
Time, 12 noon to 8 p.m.
Venue, Grand Plaza Hotel, JFK Airport, NY, 13810-135 Avenue. Telephone, 718-530-1160. For more information, please call New York State Coordinator, Mazi David Ezekwesili, 83224-55640.
New Jersey Coordinator, Mazi Tijoke Oyejeje, 9735451726.
PRO, Mazi Izuchukwu Okoli, 646-64-58237. Come one, come all. Let's keep Biafra alive.
Long live IPOB. God bless Biafra.
Signed, Mazi David Ezekwesili, the New York State Coordinator.
All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra, the land of rising sun.
Finally, this is where we draw the curtain for this morning segment. I must appreciate those of you who were able to call in. Sincere apology to those who I can no longer be able to receive their call at this moment. Do not forget, everybody must get involved. Make your present count. Let them know you are Biafran and you did your best. We know your best may not be good enough, but you do your best. If you are a saboteur us your best. If you are sincere, pure breed Biafran, do your best. You are a politician, whoever you are a monarch, make your present count. It could be positive, it could be negative. But understand we need both of them to generate a positive current. May God be with us. May God bless our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and his deputy, Uche Mefo. And every principal officer working sincerely, assiduously, to ensure that Biafra is restored. It shall be well with you. Have it at the back of your mind that the sacrifice of our fallen heroes will never be in vain. Goodbye, and God be with you.
We are from Sarasi. We've gone far in this wilderness. Biggest new steps ahead. We are no longer in Egypt. We have crossed our seas. We've gone far in this wilderness. heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet now we remember the price of a great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Inside the wilderness, never open yourself to the wicked one. Penetrate and kill your people. To what we get charge you to say. Inside the wilderness, never sell your soul to the wicked ones. Penetrate and kill your people. God have charged you to say. When it gets tough to end this, neither of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet may we remember the price of a great hero. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have put in your hands to save. Inside the wilderness, never allow yourself to be used to destroy the innocent souls. God have charged you to save. When it's your stop to end this, neither of our heroes will not defend. No retreat, no surrender. Biafra is already here. Not yet may we remember the price of a great hero.